I rank the best farting prank videos.
Damn it, Tyler, I knew you brought that. What the fuck? Tom, what'd you put in here? What the fuck did you put in here?
What's that doing?
Yeah, you know who it is now, no? Yeah, see?
Oh no!
Was she scared of her too?
Oh, that's brutal.
What's with that? Bro! Like, if you get me out of this thing, I'll fucking stink! Dude, that's not funny!